Okay, guys, so I bought this kit off eBay. It was, I think it was 30 something bucks. You have to go to AutoZone and pick up at least 3 feet of whatever size holes they provide, but it's not gonna be enough. This is the 6.4 kit for like the Hellcat and whatnot, but same thing, same concept. So we're going to fit this onto the 5.7 Hemi. I'm gonna show you guys how to, you have to put the screw in through here. Should probably use Loctite on this, but I am not. Okay, so you can get an idea. They do come with hoses. It came with these too. I had to disassemble. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys where this goes. It's right here. We can stop moving right there. You have to take the harness off. It comes with 2 of these spacers. Let me see if we do excuse me, if we do 2 of these spacers, that's, I think it's too much. I actually ran the screw in and you can tell, focus, that the screw actually reached right there. So 1 spacer is sufficient. And no. Well, thank God they gave us 2, right? 1 fell. Nice and snug. Now, this is gonna go here. Right. Okay, guys, in this step, you want to screw the actual catch can top on, so then you can kind of get an idea of where you're going to run your hose. From here to the actual PCV valve, you need 1 here. I have it screwed. I might want to put this in just to make sure, but here you go. I'm gonna cut it here, and then the second one from here is to here. I'll get back to you guys. That's how you know your PCV valve is good. You hear it? Just wanted to confirm that. Here you go. I have 1 already mocked up. These push-in fittings. There's one. This one gets a little tricky, but no need to fear. Superman strap. Might not work here. You might have to get an actual wrench and twist it. Like I said, you might have to get a wrench to get better leverage. Once you got better leverage, you can get back to installing this main bolt right here. The kit did come with 2 extra of these. So what you're supposed to do is put them like this. You need to find some lube. There's really not much. Moment of truth. Let's see if the cover fits. Highly doubt it. So the cover doesn't fit unless I cut half of this off, which is probably what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna see if I cut some of this off right here. After a little bit of cutting and butchering, I was able to get my cover to fit. Please excuse the dirty cover. But yeah, everything fits. Good to go.